All that want doesn't make no nice. All that want.
Hi, this is Mahesh Ravi, and in this video, I wanted to try something really experimental because I haven't tried this and I just had this idea, and then I just wanted to put it as a video before I forget about it. So, what I wanted to do is that I want to say that I do learn a lot of stuff on a daily basis. I will be collecting articles, I'll be summarizing that by myself and all that. And one of the problems that I do face is that I might not get time to consume them later. I might forget it. I might have a lot of workload and a couple of things I might not be able to actually go through it and consume it. So what I was thinking of an idea to solve that issue, and I figured out something. I guess I figured out something. I don't know whether it works. Let's try it out. So I use Craft. So Craft is the you know document, the second brain document that I'm using, especially after the rift I had with the Notion team. So I'm currently using Craft as my Notion. So so this is I just want to take this example. So this is a the summary of a book that I really liked. It's called The Courage to be Disliked, and I have the summary of this book like this. And just an example. So what I want to do is I want to convert this into a podcast conversation so that I can listen to it while I'm driving or something like that, right? I'm just testing it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this, right? So I copy the whole stuff here. This is summary of that book. So I'm just going to copy it and I'll go to ChatGPT. And in ChatGPT, I'm in ChatGPT right now. I'm going to just paste this summary in here. I'm going to say that rewrite the whole thing. I'll say conversation between two people. Make it show. Okay, so let's see how we are going to get the script of it. So it actually converted that to a conversation. So it's writing the whole script of a dialogue between two people. Okay, this is really good. So let me know if you'd like to stylize this for video, podcast, or anything else. I don't think we actually need that right now because we are not going to originally produce it. We just need this to be converted to the dialogue using AI. So we'll go with the simple dialogue version of this. So I'm going to just copy this conversation, the initial conversation that we have. Just copy that text that we have. Now what we are going to do is we're going to go to this tool called Levin Labs. So we are in this. Let's go to the app. Okay, we are here and we have several options in this. We have something called the podcast as well. Let's try this, right? So I'm just going to click here. And you can upload a content file. It can be a PDF, text, HTML, all of that stuff. So I don't think we can actually paste the content. So what we'll do is we'll just paste it somewhere and then make it into a PDF. So I'm just going to go back to Craft. Let's create a new document and paste the conversation here. Let's export this as a PDF. Okay, we have it. Let's go here, upload the content file, and we will upload our PDF here. So the format is a conversation. I think we can change this into a bulletin, things like that. But we have a conversation script, so that's fine. So the host voice, we have Chris. Let's play it. Okay, it's not bad. We have Jessica as the guest voice. That's fine. But the names are Ravi or something, Jay and Ravi. So we might have to change this to a male voice. Let's keep it Brian. So podcast language is English. We'll change that here and we will click generate. I have absolutely no idea how long it is going to take. Okay, it already generated 30%. Right, it's done. So we have it, and we can click play and listen to it. Let's listen to it.
You know what blows my mind? Research shows that 95% of our daily decisions are actually controlled by our subconscious beliefs about the past. But what if those beliefs are completely wrong?
That's fascinating. And it reminds me of some groundbreaking work that challenges everything we think we know about how our past shapes us.
Okay, this is really, really interesting. So it came out really well. Now, the voice changes like that, and it has the entire script right here. So what we're going to do is we are going to export this. So let's go to let's select all of this and go to export. Okay, format MP3 and click export. Yeah, so we have the podcast. Let's see it. Let's listen to it.
That's fascinating. And it reminds me of some groundbreaking work that challenges everything we think we know about how our past shapes us.
Well, here's what's really interesting. Most of us walk around thinking we're basically just the sum of our experiences, like we're these predetermined beings based on whatever happened to us. But recent psychological studies suggest that's not actually how it works.
Okay. So this was really cool, and it's something that I learned today. And I think I'm going to convert all these summaries that I have written into these audio podcasts that I can consume it passively when I'm not, when I'm working on something or when I'm driving or when I'm traveling and all that. I can just put on my headphones and listen to it. It saves a lot of time. I don't have to dedicate time specifically to read this content. So I hope you also have learned something new, or yeah, definitely this is something somebody would have already figured it out earlier, but this is something that I discovered today for myself, and it was really cool, and I wanted to share it as it was happening, a live experiment sort of thing. Try this out if you haven't yet, and let me know your thoughts in comments. See you. Bye bye.